It's
Yeah, I want to do a show wearing scrubs. I'm not worthy of wearing the scrubs,
No,
but it would be
you're not.
nice. It'd be very comfortable to wear those.
You're not trained. You're not trained.
Yeah.
You get to wear pajamas to work every day?
Every day.
That's pretty slick.
So comfy.
All right,
So
Christy, registered nurse, UC Davis Medical Center. Thanks
Yes.
for being here. Today we're talking a little bit about Faces of Tomorrow.
Yes.
Super cool pro. We've been reading all about it and super interested to talk to you about it. You want to kick us off a little bit and give us a little background and history lesson on Faces of Tomorrow?
So Faces of Tomorrow is a local nonprofit organization out of Davis, California. They started in 2007. They've gone on missions all over the world: Myanmar, India, Philippines, Peru, Ecuador. We've been able so far to serve over 2,000 patients in that time since 2007.
That's incredible.
All right, and we're talking about, is it craniofacial? Is that how we say
Yeah,
that?
so craniofacial
Okay.
differences can be anything that you're born with that is like with the tissue or your bones of your face.
Mm-hmm.
The most common that we work with Faces of Tomorrow on our medical missions are cleft lip and cleft palates.
Got it. So that's the most common. And
Yes.
things that we see, not terribly common, but still we see it. We know that there has to be a solution, and that's where you guys step in.
Yeah, so it's about globally it's about 1 in every 700 births for cleft lip and palate.
Yeah.
And here in the United States, we have Medi-Cal, insurance, and funding. Everybody, regardless of your socioeconomic status, will get surgery.
Sure.
But in third world countries, there's not access, there's not physicians, there's not money.
Right.
So that's where we are trying to fill that gap.
Got it. All right, and how do you raise money? How do you go about doing that?
Yeah.
Coming on shows like this.
Yeah, great question.
This is one way, of course, for sure.
We're a total grassroots effort, so we're always hitting up our family and our friends. In the past, we've done golf tournaments. We also do like fundraising campaigns before our medical missions when we're going on them. Most recently, we just did our inaugural Chocolate Chase 5K run.
Whoa.
We were able to raise about $25,000 from that, so that was really great for being the first year of doing it.
Chocolate and running combined.
Yeah, who doesn't want to run and have a chocolate bar at the end?
No kidding.
Yeah, can we run with the chocolate bar?
I mean, you could, but
That's kind of what I want to do.
The nurse says you can, you can. Where to next? Do you have it mapped out where you're?
yeah, actually our group is, we're working on all the back work right now to get to the Philippines in January of 2026.
Okay, and do you go to some of these countries and places where it's a little more common, more prevalent, I guess, or I'm assuming these people need this service and just cannot wait for the arrival?
Yes, exactly. So it's actually not that more common in these other countries.
Okay.
It's just that they don't have the resources
services
to be able to do it.
Sure.
So when you go, you see a lot of the deformities because they've not been repaired.
Man, oh man.
Yeah.
Your favorite part about going on these medical missions? What's your favorite part about this? It's got to be, it's got to feel really good.
There's so many things I love about this. It totally fills my cup, but honestly, we get way more than we're giving.
Yeah.
To be able to see these loved ones, see their child or their loved one after surgery and their face repaired, just seeing their face is so amazing, because they didn't know if they would ever get it or not.
Sure.
And so they finally have gotten something that they have been wanting their whole lives.
Changing lives, man. That's incredible.
Yes, yes.
And not just the patient's life, but the family and their extended family and friends. I mean, what it's doing for everybody. If people are seeing this right now and want to dig in a little bit more, want to help out, donate, what's the best way? What's the easiest way for them?
Yeah, go to our website. We totally have a donate now button. It's facesoftomorrow.org. You can also follow us on our socials to see what kind of fundraising campaigns and stuff we're doing in the future.
Love that.
Gosh, thanks for coming in.
Yeah,
and,
thanks for having me.
Getting us caught up on all that unbelievable stuff. There you go.
Amazing. Good work.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing that? How long has this been a passion of yours, I guess?
My first mission was in 2016, and in January I'm hoping to go, and that will be my 6th mission with this organization.
Kudos to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Be safe
and
wear the scrubs.
Yes,
It's just because they're pajamas.
They are, you're very comfy all day.
Licensed to wear pajamas and save people's lives and help them out.
Yep.
Facesoftomorrow.org is where you can find them online. Like she said, follow along on the Instagram, the social as well, to see where you can step in and help out.
All right, we'll be right back. Don't go away.